Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make different column width in Google Docs table row. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document with table. Now you can see here are my document with table. Now I make different column width in Google Docs table row. You can make different column width, like go to a column and you can see here are icon like this. Just move this icon. Now you can see I make different column docs with table row. Now you can see I make different column width in Google Docs table row very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.